Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2016 F-150 XLT in shadow black, grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It has a backup camera as well as backup sensors, as also navigation, trailer tow package with an integrated trailer brake controller and pro trailer backup. It also has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and an XTR package, which adds some shine, which means that it has a chrome bumper, fender, cab steps, and handles. It's a 5-liter V8 and it's a 4x4. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have power pedals, lighting controls, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. There's a grab handle making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, as well as a menu that'll appear. And then you can toggle through the menu, display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and they all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has tow haul and sport. It'll appear beside the odometer reading. There's tow haul, then S for sport, and off again. Up above, there's a little cubby to put items, as well your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, and your display screen is a touch screen. Your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, and the map will come up. There we go. And then we can put the vehicle in reverse. You're going to see your backup camera view. Just bring the camera down so you can see. Settings, you can slide through for different options, Wi-Fi, display, and other options that you can choose from just by touching. Volume and tuner, and there's your CD player. Down below, climate control, heated seats for driver and passenger, AC and max AC, front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Down below, a couple of USB outlets, as well as a 12-volt, and there's a little bin there. And in the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, as well as more storage. And then you can flip this up for another seating position, unclip underneath. You've got more storage and a couple of cup holders. You can flip right out. Off to the side, 12 volts and 110. And you also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that button's for. And there's a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is located just below the handle, backup sensors on your bumper. You've got that nice hard tonneau cover, and you also have a 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. And then when you want to open it up, simply put your hand in the latch. It comes down easily. Inside, it's nicely lined, tie downs in all 4 corners. You also have box link, and there's a tailgate step making it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. And then to bring it down, simply pull the clip. At the base, there's anchors to be able to tether baby seats. An all-weather mat on the floor keeps everything nice and clean. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. And in the center, you have a couple of cup holders and a 12-volt. There's a grab handle in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting. And in the back, access to a power sliding window. Chrome bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.